Hi traders, it's Roberto, and this is the fourth lesson of the Pro Traders Workshop series. So let me get started. This is, on the left-hand side, is the Smart Trader platform, and I'm using the Donchian channel indicator, which is similar to a Bollinger Band, but visually it's a lot easier to find support and resistance level. On the right-hand side, I have the Piplocker master indicator. This is a 4-hour chart. So what I'm looking for, 3 time frames that can give me confirmation as to overbought or oversold conditions. Donchian channel giving me the upper band. Piplocker giving me a sell signal to confirm what I see in price. So I'm looking at a 4-hour chart. I switch over to the daily. Notice that on a daily chart, we see the same thing. We have stochastics is overbought. And on a daily chart, we have this bearish engulfing candle. When I switch to an 8-hour chart, again, stochastics is overbought on the 8-hour chart. So I have 3 time frames essentially telling me the same thing. And there it is again, all the way up here, 4-hour chart. And this occurred on April 6th. There's this trade signal on Piplocker on the right-hand side on the 1-hour chart. And the idea is to to short a position on top and exit when stochastics is oversold or the Donchian channel flattens out like it did here on the 4-hour chart. We'll switch over to the daily chart. And there was a trade, bearish engulfing candles, stochastics overbought, Piplocker giving us a sell signal. And here another example using the euro dollar. Again, I'm looking for 3 time frames with stochastics oversold. That's the daily chart. 8-hour chart, stochastics is also oversold, and the 4-hour chart. So we have 3 time frames. There it is over here, oversold stochastics. And then I'm looking for price to flatten out this Donchian channel, flatten out, giving us a bullish engulfing candle. On the right-hand side, there's my trade signal on Piplocker. And here's another example on the same currency, Euro USD, on February the 25th. Price hitting the top of the upper band. There's a reversal candlestick pattern. Stochastics is overbought on the 4-hour chart. Let me switch over to the daily chart and see if we see the same thing. And there it is. Stochastics is overbought on the daily chart. And we also have an evening star at the upper band. Okay. Switch over to the 8-hour chart. And there it is again. Stochastics is overbought on the 8-hour chart. And on the 8-hour chart, we have tweezer tops. And stochastic is also overbought. And on the right-hand side, there's the time, February 26th, we have a sell signal on Piplocker. So even if I'm not looking at my charts, Piplocker will generate a signal. If I'm in my office, I can hear it and immediately go to the chart, confirm it on the Donchian channel to make sure that price is overbought and it's hitting the upper channel. And stochastics is overbought on both 4-hour daily and 4-hour chart. And we've got a trade. And here's another one on CAD Japanese Yen daily chart. Price hitting the upper band on a daily chart. And then I'll scroll down to an 8-hour chart. Okay, there it is again. Stochastics is overbought. And also price is up at the upper band. And then I scroll down to the 4-hour chart. 3 time frames essentially telling me the same thing. Look at on the right-hand side. There's your sell signal. Okay. Now, then if you're asking why am I using Piplocker if I can recognize these patterns, well, I may not be at the computer when these trade setups and the alert on Piplocker is generated. And then I go to the chart. If I hear an alert, if I get this on my email, I immediately go to the chart to see if price is indeed above or around the upper band, or for a buying opportunity at the bottom of the band. And here it is again on Aussie Swiss. Price is below or around the lower band, so it's oversold. Stochastics is also oversold. That's a 4-hour chart, and switch over to a daily chart and see if we have an oversold stochastics. There it is. So if I have 3 time frames, this is essentially telling me the same thing. That stochastics is oversold, price is oversold. There's the buy signal on Piplocker and Forex Writer right there. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial on Donchian channel. Now the smart trader, this is an indicator, although this platform is free, and they let you have 3 indicators, and I've got 4. So I've got a paid subscription. So if you get a free, you can use 3 indicators. Use the Donchian channel so you can spot overbought and oversold conditions with stochastics confirming the oversold, and the Piplocker and Forex Writer giving you buy and sell signals. Thanks for watching.